Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to take a screenshot on your Samsung phone. Now for the first method, you have to press and hold your volume down key and power key at the same time. Now just do it, and you can see that you will take a screenshot. If you tap here, now from here you can edit your screenshot, then tap on this icon and it's saved. If I do it again, and that will take a screenshot again. Now for the second method, you have to swipe your hand from left to right. Now just do it, and you can see that you will take a screenshot. Now if you cannot take a screenshot using your second method, then you have to turn it on from your settings. Now just go to your settings app and then scroll down, then go to advanced features. From here go to motion and gesture. Here at the bottom you can see palm swipe to capture option, and you have to turn on these settings from here. Now if you swipe from top to bottom, if you cannot find it any screenshot option here, then just tap on this pencil icon and then tap on edit. Here you can see take a screenshot option. Now just touch and hold it and drag it to here, then tap on done, and it's done. Now if you go back, then swipe from top to bottom again. Now you can also take a screenshot from here. Now just tap on take a screenshot option, and that will take a screenshot. And that is how you can take a screenshot in your Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.